Hello, welcome back to Tales of Trisha. As a parent, it is very important to decide on the right product for our babies. At the same time, it is also very confusing because there is so many varieties of products available in the market. So I thought of making this video to share the list of products that I have been using on Adi, who is currently 18 months old. I hope this might help many mommies out there who are still searching for the best product. So without further delay, let's get started. So I will be starting with the oils and the list of oils that I have been using on Adi. I'm a big fan of oils and I have been using a variety of oils for Adi. To start, first thing that I am using this summertime, which I'm a big fan, this coconut oil. This called virgin coconut oil from Max Care. This particular oil is one of the purest coconut oil, and coconut oil is very important. This oil you cannot use during winter time. However, in the summer time I have been using this oil and I got a very good result. My baby Adi is having very delicate and dry skin, and actually this oil helped me a lot. Next, number two oil that I would be mentioning here today is this one, which is called Johnson's Baby Oil Shea and Cocoa Butter. This particular range of oil that I got from USA. Now I am not sure whether you can get this variety here, but this is again a very good oil, and with this shea and cocoa butter, this really moisturizes the skin. I use this oil even in winter time as well because there is no problem with this oil, so I've been using this particular oil. Third number that I would like to mention is a very chotu sa bottle. This is Hamdard Rogan Badam Shireen. This is sweet almond oil. Now this particular oil is a gem of product. This is India made, and what I do, I basically use this oil and this olive oil. This is a Batuli classic olive oil. I mix this together in this winter time, and I use this for Adi. This actually helped me a lot. Like when it is very dry, when the skin is very dry, this combination helped a lot. Otherwise you can use this particular oil also. If your baby is not that dry skin, this particular oil also will help you out. So yes. Second thing I would be mentioning today is the baby wash, baby shampoo and body wash, what I'm using. I have been using two products. One is Sebamed baby wash and Sebamed children's shampoo since Adi was, I think, 1 month old, because this new product is very good. As I mentioned, Adi skin is very delicate and I had to do a lot of research and I found this product, and I am using this two product. However, this is about to get finished, and I bought this right now, though I have not used. This is Aveno baby daily moisturizing bath, this mentioned, but I have not used this product, so I cannot really tell. But yes, after this gets over, I would be using this. Third thing I would be mentioning today is the baby wipes. I know there is I have seen many mothers using variety of baby wipes, but it's not right for me to tell that I have never used. I have used once. I have used this Mother Splash wipes. However, I always try to avoid wipes because that contains chemical just for preserving it. What I use this particular thing, which is a cotton wipes. It is from Chico baby moments, whatever they call it. So this is soft cotton. I can show you guys. This is very good, like just to wipe the face or any purpose you can use. It is like this cotton, and it is very soft. This is from Chico, and it says 100% soft cotton, 0 month plus. So from 0 month you can use. I have been using this, and I find this to be very very useful. Rather than using all that chemicals and like the wipes, you can just take this cotton wipes and put some water, or depending on the weather, if it is winter you can use some hot water, and you can wipe your baby like wherever it is required. So I have been using. Next, I would be mentioning about the moisturizers today. For moisturizer, I use this product, which is called Aveeno Baby Daily Moisturizer Lotion. This product is very very good product. This cost of this product is bit of on the higher range, the price. However, the product, if you talk about the quantity required, if you talk about the output, it is very good. I strongly recommend Aveeno Baby Daily Moisturizer. I have been using this moisturizer for more than a year. Adi is now 18 months. I think from last winter I started, so I have been using, and this is the Adi's daily moisturizer. Before Adi goes to bed, I use this moisturizer daily, even in the summertime as well. So a very good product, Aveeno Daily Moisturizer. Now, as I mentioned, Adi have a very of delicate face, skin. So this is one of the cream was prescribed by doctor. This called Ifadar. This particular cream I use when there is some kind of like breakout, not breakouts, basically some dry patches are there in Adi skin. So then I use this Ifadar. Otherwise, I use this Aveeno baby cream for Adi. Next, another important product that I would like to mention is diaper cream. Now there is again a lot of variety of diaper creams are available. One diaper cream I was using, I think it's any random diaper cream, but one of my friend recommended this A&D diaper cream. Now this particular dabba I got it from USA again, but this product is my guys, I want to tell you, I mean this is one of the best product. This I got last year on the month of January, and today is about to be 1 year, just about to get finished. It doesn't require a lot, it's just a small, but this product is gem. If you don't want your baby to suffer from diaper rash, a must use product. For that you yeah, I'm sure like you need someone to who can provide this from USA, but otherwise this is one of the best product that you can get. As a backup, we use this before nappy. This again good product. This is a doctor recommended product. Before this A plus D, we have been using this before nappy, and I keep this before nappy ready because this dabba, it is very big. So for like when I'm traveling, I'm going somewhere for 1 day or 2 days, so I use this before nappy because it is very travel friendly. So that's all. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tales of Trisha. And if you have any better suggestion, so do let me know in the comment section. Happy parenting!